Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yes guys, you're welcome to our channel. We are in the city of Enugu. As you can see, we are currently driving into premium layout. So we are about to show you the current work that Governor Peter Mbah has done in premium layout. Yeah, before now, it's all about the news that he wanted to construct over 77 roads around Enugu town, and this premium layout road is one of those roads he considered to commission. So we're going to be checking it out and checking out other things he placed on the road. If you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do what to click the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, thank you very much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. As you can see, we just drive and this road leads straight to Goshen Estate, for as many of you who are familiar with Enugu. This is called premium layout and it's also considered as independence layout phase 2. So the road was newly constructed. It was pretty bad, I must tell the truth. A lot of potholes. After the road was constructed, as you can see, there are street lights already installed by the side of the road, which is very impressive. And that's what I've been observing around Enugu now, that most of the new roads constructed by the governor, there are street lights installed just along the path to brighten up the road at night. And not just that, we'll be checking out this road again at night, so do well to stay with us on this video. So we're doing a night drive as well to confirm the street lights if they are all working. And just to also mention, it's not just premium layout that the street lights are being installed across different roads in Enugu State. There are currently street lights being installed, this solar street light, which is much better than the one powered by diesel or fuel. But around Owani, we learned that some of the street there, I don't know how true it is that it was not installed by the governor, but installed by maybe one politician that just came and did that for them around some specific streets in Owani. I don't know how true that is, but for this of premium layouts, it's confirmed that the governor actually installed this alongside with the road construction. As you can see, the pedestrian bridge is just after the drainage system. You know, that was just an addition after what's it called? The road was already completed and the drainage system already done. They started doing pedestrian just after the drainage system. And as we drive forward now, you observe that by our left-hand side, you will see that there are still some workers who are there currently working on the pedestrian by the left-hand side. Great, I must tell you. Like I always say, when the good comes, it's so easy to forget the bad days. You know, this road used to be very, very bad. In fact, this current one we're driving on now, driving towards Jubilee Gate entrance, it was not tied at all. Extremely bad. It was just the one from the entrance to Goshen that was tarred, but even the tarred, there were a lot of bad spots on it that you need to jump before you even get to Goshen Gate. But this particular one currently very bad. As you can observe there are people already working and creating the demarcation for the pedestrian by the left-hand side. So when the governor came, he came here, flagged up the project, and just some days ago, he also came and commissioned the work. So there were literally canopies on this road, and the road was literally blocked for the few period the governor spent here commissioning the road and reassuring the people of Goshen that is open to do more work for them. So kudos to them. Around this axis, as at the time of this video now, the street light around towards this end has not been installed, but you can see the point already marked out for the installation of the street light. So we believe it will be installed pretty soon, but we are almost at the end of the road that leads you to the other one that joined the Port Harcourt Express. So it's a very long road, and kudos to him. But the streets around these areas were not done. Just one of the streets was actually done. When you drive into this road, the first street by your left was the only street that was done, but not to the end actually. So we don't know what the arrangement is. So you can therefore share the video so that appropriate authorities can get to see it and know if that road is part of what was supposed to be done, so that those in charge can also get to work. But by and large, great improvement, great work by the governor, and the people of Goshen truly appreciate for just helping save the car condition around this area. So this is the end of the road now. This is a daytime drive, so let's go do a night check to be sure that these roads are the street lights are working appropriately well. So if you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV once again. Kindly do what to click the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell to be part of our big family, and do what to give me your honest thoughts, your honest review about this video in the comment section. So we'll be turning now and taking you guys back to the beginning. So while we make a U-turn at that point now, driving back, so we'll switch to the night drive and let's see how the area looks like at night. So this is the night drive around this part that the street light has been installed. As you can see, we're already in the road leading to what's it called, the Goshen axis and the premium layout road. So as you can see, the night drive at night looking all bright, and I'm a very huge fan of light at night because I just feel when the town is lit, it just adds beauty and also help to reduce crime to a certain level. So quite interesting to see that the street lights are all working at night, and quite very impressive to see. So do well to let me know your thought about this project in the comment section. Let me know. And like I mentioned earlier, the governor came some days back just to commission this project in premium layout. And for as many who are based in Enugu, if you are based in this area, let me know also in the comment section your thought about it. I believe you are excited to see that the road is done and also street lights are also working in your area. And for those based in Enugu, let me know the situation of things around your area, and if there's anything special you want us to capture and put on our channel, do give us a direct DM via our other social media platform, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. I will do well to respond and create time to shoot such videos. So do let us know your thoughts and tell us the ongoing projects in your area. If you have not seen our previous video on the International Conference Center currently being completed by this current administration, just check our Enugu catalog and you'll see the video there. Do well to watch and give us your honest review about that project. So quite a lot is happening in Enugu State. We've done a video on the water project, so quite a lot is going on. So we just hope that the governor and his officials are able to bring all of their plans and projects to perfect completion. So but for this work, I'm excited. So thank you so much, guys, for joining us on this ride. Again, if you enjoyed content like this or you like to see more of this kind of content, do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. So we will catch you guys in our next video. So thank you so much, guys. We look forward to your comments, your review in the comment section. Bye.